Why no one in space can hear you scream. Imagine it's a Saturday night and you're watching a movie that is set in space. Things are getting really exciting as one spacecraft chases another, and suddenly, bang, the villain spacecraft explodes in a big, noisy ball of fire. The explosion sound effect used in the movie is loud and booming, and it's also not scientifically accurate. If you were in space, you wouldn't be able to hear an explosion or anything else because sound doesn't travel in space. Space is silent. That's because sound is produced by sound waves, and sound waves are mechanical waves. They need something to travel through. The medium sound travels through can be solid, liquid, or gas. On Earth, it is often air. However, space is a vacuum, meaning there is no air or any other matter between the objects, such as planets, moons, and the sun. In space, there's nothing to carry sound from place to place. Sound waves are produced when something vibrates. The object's vibrations make it bump into the nearest atoms or molecules on Earth. Those are usually the molecules that make up the air surrounding it. Those molecules bump into the molecules next to them, which bump into the molecules next to them, and so on. That pattern of molecules bumping into each other is a wave. And when it reaches your eardrum, you hear it as sound. Wow. Okay, so this is a picture kind of showing that. So here is a speaker. This molecule, once the air hits it, it bumps into the next molecule. And then it bumps into the next and it goes down this. And that's called a compression wave. And that's how we hear it. And then it ends up going into your eardrum the same way. And that's how we hear things. Since space is a vacuum, there are no molecules for a vibrating object to bump into. Objects like planets and the sun can vibrate, but the motion doesn't set off a wave. Therefore, even dramatic events in space, like explosions, are totally silent. Sound waves can't travel in space, but other kinds of waves can. Electromagnetic waves or light waves are not mechanical waves, so they don't need anything to travel through. That means light waves can travel through the vacuum of space. Explosions emit light waves that can make it to your eyes, whether there's matter around or not. That's why you would be able to see the spacecraft's explosion, but not hear it.